In November 2015, the North Dakota Department of Transportation began issuing a new license plate, called the Sunrise Plate. After 23 years in production, the Buffalo Plate design was retired. The Sunrise Plate features a photograph of a buffalo along with a colorful North Dakota sunrise, and utilizes a flat plate design rather than an embossed plate with raised letters and numbers, which was used on the Buffalo Plate. The new plate design and technology comes after the North Dakota legislature passed legislation directing the DOT to begin issuing a new plate utilizing newer technology and equipment. The change was needed since the Buffalo Plate had been in use for so many years, and some of those plates were deteriorating and losing reflectivity.
You know, it's been 23 years since the last plate was issued here in the state of North Dakota. And if you take a look over here and you look at our history in the state, the first plate was issued in 1911. And you can see each and every year after that, for many years, a plate was issued and put into production in the state. After 23 years, with the plates being out there, we had numerous occasions where we have vehicles that are traveling with plates that look like this. And as you can see, looking at the plate, it's becoming difficult to read the letters, to be able to pick up on that and to be able to see it. Recognizing the plate, not only the state, but the number and letters that are on the plate is essential to law enforcement.
The DOT began design work on the new plate design in 2013, and it was approved by the state legislature in 2014.
That new plate was developed. It was developed by a team of people by the Department of Transportation. We worked with tourism, and we worked with the Highway Patrol, along with Rough Rider Industries, to develop and put in place a new plate.
Rough Rider Industries has been making the plate since 1933 and will continue to do so with the Sunrise Plate. As part of the legislation, Rough Rider Industries purchased new equipment to produce the new flat plate.
It's a digital plate. We went from the embossing, which had a 3D effect, which was raised alphanumeric, to now it's a totally flat plate, new graphics. We do all our printing on site here, so our alphanumeric, so we have the capabilities to print a totally white sheet of paper into a finished looking license plate now, where before we never did that.
The process of printing the plates is lengthy, but with the new automated technology, Rough Rider Industries can print about 4,000 pairs of plates each day during full production.
We get rolls of sheeting come in. There's 1,200 images on each roll, 600 pair of plates. We take it from the rolls of material over to the printer and print the alphanumerics on there. From the printer, it goes over to the blanking line. We take the rolls of sheeting, apply it to aluminum, and then we'll run it through a blanking press, and then we get our blanks from there. The pairs of plates that are packed and sent to DOT for shipment to the public.
Motor vehicle owners in North Dakota began receiving the Sunrise plates in November 2015, and they will eventually replace all of the Buffalo plates.
The release of the plates are going to replace what all current Buffalo plates are. And what I would refer you here is when I talk about the Buffalo plates, I'm talking about all of our general issue plates, which include mobility impaired, official plates, standard plates, and standard utility plates. These are all scheduled to be replaced as the renewal cycle comes up. The other plates that are going to be replaced are the military veteran Buffalo plates and then the organizational plates.
Sunrise plates will be issued based on the vehicle owner's registration renewal cycles. For example, if your registration is due in March 2016, you will receive your new plates at that time. There is no additional cost for the new plate. Vehicle owners will need to just pay their regular renewal fees. With over 1 million vehicle registrations in the state, it is expected to take approximately a year and a half to get all vehicles updated to the new Sunrise plate.
There's no need to come in early to get your plate. The plates will be issued as part of the renewal process. In other words, when your tabs are about to expire, like you would always, come in, we'll issue to you a new plate.
To renew your vehicle and receive the new Sunrise plates, you can do so by stopping into any motor vehicle branch office across the state. by renewing online at dot.nd.gov, by mailing in your registration renewal notice, or with the mobile app ND Renewals. You are encouraged to recycle your old Buffalo plate at your local recycling facility, or bring it to your nearest motor vehicle office and place it in the recycling bins where it will be disposed of properly. If you have any questions about the renewal process and obtaining your new plates, go to dot.nd.gov, call 1-844-ND-PLATE, or stop into any motor vehicle branch office.